Spotlight, 8 класс, страница 82, 5E, Writing Skills. Essays providing solutions to problems. 1. Match the suggestions to the results. Which ideas are mentioned in the text in exercise 2? Listen, read, and check suggestions. Ban cars from city centers. Make drivers pay a tax for driving into the city. Improve public transport. Build car parks outside city limits. Promote carpooling. Drivers take turns driving others into the city. Results. People will think twice about using their cars if it costs them money. People will choose to use buses, trams, or trains. There will be less traffic and less pollution. Drivers will leave their cars outside the city. There will be fewer cars being driven in the city. Traffic will be reduced. For example, instead of 4 people driving 4 cars, there will be 1 car with 4 people in it. There will be no cars at all. It will be safe and healthier for people who work and live in the city center. 2. Read the theory box, then read the essay again. What is the writer's opinion? In which paragraph does he mention it? Essays providing solutions to problems are normally written in a formal style, and so you should avoid using colloquial expressions, short forms, or personal language. In the first paragraph, we state the problem. In the main body paragraphs, we write our suggestions supported by possible results. We write our suggestions in separate paragraphs. In the conclusion, we summarize our suggestions. What can we do to reduce traffic in our city? Heavy traffic is one of the most serious problems that our cities have to deal with nowadays. What can we do then to reduce traffic in our city centers? To begin with, it is important to improve public transport and to encourage people to use it to commute to work and to school. The result would be fewer cars in the city and consequently fewer traffic jams. Another solution would be to encourage people to participate in car-sharing programs. This means several employees would share one car to work instead of each coming in their own car. Again, this would reduce the number of cars on the streets. Finally, it would be a good idea to create more cycling lanes. If this was done, people would be encouraged to cycle instead of taking their car. To sum up, there are many ways to reduce traffic in the city. Applying just some of these ideas would result in a lot less traffic in our cities. 3A. Read the table. Find examples in the essay in exercise 2. Say these phrases in your language. To introduce suggestions to begin, start with one way to, another solution would be, another way to would be, to express affect, thus, therefore, as a result, consequently, so, as a consequence. To conclude, all in all, to sum up, all things considered. B. Replace some of these examples in the text with suitable alternatives from the table. Coordinate conjunctions. Form. Read the theory in the box and match each structure to a description A to C. Then join sentences 1 to 4 using coordinate conjunctions. We use coordinate conjunctions to link ideas of equal weight, both and. I like both rock and pop music, either or. We can have the party either on Friday or on Saturday. Neither the buses nor the trains in my town are very efficient. Both of two things are okay. Each of two ideas is possible. Both of two things are bad. Factories pollute the water. Factories pollute the air. You can reuse old things. You can recycle old things. You shouldn't leave your computer or TV on when you leave the house. You can walk to work. You can ride a bicycle to work. Factories pollute both the air and the water. 5. Match the suggestions to the results, then listen and see which ideas Sally mentions in the conversation. What are we going to do with all this litter? Suggestions: find people who litter, get young people involved in clean up programs, set up recycling schemes in your area, only buy products with biodegradable packaging, things that can break down or decompose on their own. Results: if people know that they will have to pay if they litter, they will stop doing it. This way, landfill sites will not become so full. They will become interested in keeping parks and their neighborhoods clean and tidy. Household rubbish will be put to good use, and the amount of garbage will be greatly reduced. Writing 6 portfolio. You had a discussion in class about the amount of litter we produce. Now your teacher has asked you to write an essay offering suggestions and the results related to the problem. Write your essay. Follow the plan below. Plan: introduction, part 1, state the problem, main body. First suggestion and results, second suggestion and results, third suggestion and results, conclusion. Summarize your opinion. 7. Swap your work with your partner. Check your partner's essay for the following. Are the topic and her opinion stated in the introduction? Does she have clear main body paragraphs? Is each viewpoint justified with examples, reasons? Are linkers used correctly? Are there any grammar spelling mistakes? Is her opinion stated again in the conclusion? Smile. What kind of car does your dad drive? I don't know, but it starts with an M. Ours starts with petrol.